Hello again. Well, today I'm going to have a look at this parcel that's arrived. Now, I don't order all that much stuff. Most of the stuff in my videos comes from car boot sales and charity shops, but occasionally I order new stuff, and I do know what's in this one. It's come from Chronos Limited, and I did order something from them the other day. So let's open it up and have a look. Well, they've kindly put in a bit of a catalogue for me. Christmas specials and the like. As it is now December. Right. Set a tall post wedge type 25000. That may mean something to you, but if not, okay, so let's get this in a shot. This is the most important bit. This is a new tool post. Now this is a quick change tool post for my Mini Lathe, and it's a 250-000, which is a very common tool post. They come either unbranded, or in this case this one's marked Chronos, but I suspect they all come out of the same factory. And in here, in these bits here, which I think were probably just off camera, are the tool holders. So let's just open up one or two of those. So these are the tool holders. So let's just clear some of this rubbish away. Now they're covered in a nice coating of oil. Now that is the post that goes in like so. There's the knob that goes on the end. Now this is a 250-010. Interestingly enough, it's marked Chronos as well, so presumably they have all the parts marked, not just the actual tool post holder itself. That is an knurling tool, and just a standard sort of tool holder there. And they all basically fit on. They've got a dovetail, so they will fit on. It's sort of quite difficult to show. In fact, they probably won't fit on at the minute because these gib strips here are, I suspect, extended. So I'm going to need to fit the handle on before I'm going to get that to work. But anyway, there's the tool holder. That's the 250-010. What else we got? This is the 250-001. That's basically the most standard sort of type. I'm just picking these up at random here. This is the 250004. This I think is a boring bar holder. Not sure I've got the camera in quite the best position here. But anyway, so the same, but it's basically got a hole for a boring bar there and some screws on the top to tighten it down. Now this one is the cut-off blade holder. Now it's a 250007T. Now that's interesting actually, because that I think is a straight one. Which, if it is the case, is actually good, because then that is likely to fit my lathe. I think the 007, which is what I expected to be packaged in, has a 4-degree angle on the blade holder and doesn't really work very well with the sort of mini lathes, the 7x14 type mini lathes that I've got. Alright, what else we got? And this is a 250002, and it's pretty much the same as the 250001, except for the fact it's got a groove in the base there. Probably can't quite see it. So that will take a boring bar as well as just an ordinary tool. Now you may wonder, if you've stayed this long in this video, what on earth this is all about. Well, essentially, one of the problems with lathes is that you've got to get all the tools to be at the right height, and traditionally you would use little bits of metal to shim the tools up. With this sort of equipment, this sort of quick change, you can use the adjuster here. So let's pick this one up. You can basically adjust the height using this arrangement on the top here. And so you just clamp the tool in and use this to get the height right on the lathe, and then you can take the tool off and put the tool on, or take the tool off, put a different tool on, go back to the first tool, and the height is always right. And that is a major advantage, which is why pretty much everybody that I've watched videos on and read about that has this sort of mini lathe says get a quick change tool post. It's pretty much the first thing you need to buy. Okay, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff.